special video. As you can see, I'm going to be doing a Holi special experiment, science one. So let's get started without any further ado. And if you have not seen my previous science experiments video, after watching this video, go on the iCards or the description box below. You can watch the other science experiments or any other comedy video or any video you want to watch on my channel. With the necessities or ingredients needed for doing the experiment. So I have gathered 4 tissues, as you can see, 1 2 3 4, and I have 3 glasses full of water and 2 empty glasses. So basically 5 glasses, 3 with water and 2 empty, and of course colors, like it's Holi special, right? We can take all the colors we can gather around, liquid ones, and a stirring stick. Okay, so like I can stir. And now let's get started with the experiment. So now I'm gonna be starting with the experiment, and so I have like taken the 3 glasses of water which were like filled with water, and now what I'm gonna be doing is adding colors to each of the glass. So suppose the first one I'm gonna be adding 6 to 7 drops of red. You can put any drop amount you want. So 1 3 4, as it is like a lot of water, I'm like putting a little bit more color so that like it colors, and if I feel that the color is not very dark, so I will like do it later. I will mix it, and now I'm going to be mixing it with the stirring stick. So it has like turned red, the color of the water. Now I'm going to be mixing the blue color in the next cup. Now I'm going to be mixing it with the stirring stick, and as you can see, I have already mixed the blue color, and now I will be mixing the yellow color with this X. So I have mixed the yellow color. Now I'm going to be mixing it with the stirring stick. Now as you can see, I have like 3 colors of water here now: blue, yellow and red. So now let's get on to with the next step of the experiment. So now like I'm going to be placing the glasses in a sequence. So what I'm going to be doing is, first I'm going to be keeping the red. Now I'm going to be keeping an empty glass between these two, as you can see, and I'm going to be keeping another empty glass between the yellow and blue glasses. Hope you guys can see all the glasses. So now what I'm going to be doing is taking the tissues, okay, and opening it up, and like fold it like this, as you can see, and then form a V shape. Okay, going to be just folding it like this and forming a V shape. As you can see, this tissue has formed a V shape, and this tissue has formed a V shape. Okay, now I'm going to be putting this V shaped tissue inside one of the cup, and the other end will be on this cup. Okay, now what I'm going to be doing is taking another tissue, opening it up, and then folding it and forming a V, just as I did before. And now I am forming a V, and as you can see, I have formed the V. Now I'm going to be putting it in the yellow one, and then I'm going to be putting the other end in the cup which I put the red end to. Okay, now what I'm going to be doing is taking another tissue, as you can see, and I'm going to be rolling it down, forming a V, and so I have found a V again. And now I'm going to be dipping one end in the yellow box and dipping another end make sure it is touching the both ends. Okay, so another end in the empty cup. Now I'm going to be taking the last and final one. I'm going to be folding it and then forming a V out of it. I just tore it, so I'm gonna be just taking another one. I was afraid that I was gonna do that, so I just kept extra one, so you guys can also keep if you are too aggressive, So I'm gonna be folding it again. I'm folding it again, and now I'm going to be forming a V really gently this time. And now I'm going to be putting the V's one end to the blue one and of course the other end in the cup. Okay, empty cup. Now as you can see, I have put all the tissues, one end in the colored cup and one end in the empty cup. I have put the red ends, one end in the cup, fill of water, red cup, and one end in this one. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see little water soaking out of it, but to know what the experiment really does, hopefully we need to wait a few hours. So meet you after a few hours. I will let you know how many hours it took me to actually form the a whole experiment. So let's wait. Watching the water falling slowly, and as you can see, water is slowly accumulating, but the experiment isn't over. I suddenly remembered, God, I just forgot to tell the experiment's name. Can you name the experiment? Well, the experiment's name is walking water. Hope you guys like the experiment. Now we are really gonna wait for a few hours now. So this is after 40 to 50 minutes. I started during 3:30 and now it is 4:20. So basically basically it's 50 minutes, not 1 hour. And I think enough water has accumulated, and as you can see, the empty glass has accumulated all the water with the green color in it, which I didn't have. I only had blue, red and yellow colors, right? And there was no water in these two. These was empty if you remember. You can also rewind the video. And as you can see, this has these two empty glasses has accumulated water by itself and has also changed its color in the process. Now why does this happen? The tissue absorbs the water, these tissues which I gave in the V form shaped. This tissue absorbs the water. Now the water travels through the tissues. You can see all the tissues are wet, but I didn't wet these tissues. I just kept them, but the tissues are wet. Now the water moves through the tissue in another glass to another glass to another glass. Now what is this action movement called? This is called the capillary action or movement. Now the capillary action is a movement of a liquid through or along another material against an opposing force such as gravity. Now another observation we can make is that you can see that the blue and the red didn't go in the water very much. The yellow's quantity is really low than compared to the blue and red. This is because I put two strings in the yellow and I put only one string, one end at the blue and red one. Now of course these two strings put the yellow color in this cup, and the one string only put the blue and red color. So that's why yellow color like decreased more than the red and blue color. And so now I'm gonna be giving you a vision of the colors. As you can see, this is blue, this is the blue one, the before one. Now I'm going to be I'm first showing you all the before colors I added. Like these were from the starting, I mixed them, okay. And the final color which I mixed from the starting is the color red, as you can see. So now I'm going to be showing you the colors which got mixed from this experiment. So I'm going to be first showing you guys the green color which was formed. So this green color was formed with the mix. This is totally green, and I didn't mix this color, it formed the green color. And this one is the orange color, as you can see. So this formed by mixing red and yellow. So suppose I kept the blue in the middle and I mixed red and blue, other colors would have been formed. Suppose I would have kept red in the middle and the blue and the yellow would be side, other colors again would have been formed. It's your choice. I put it in a settlement like this. You can change it also and put it like another settlement, and you will see the change in color. So it's totally upon your wish, which color do you want to make. So I made these colors. So if I keep it for a little bit longer, maybe more water will accumulate and more colors will accumulate and stuff. But for now I think this much water and color is sufficient for showing you guys that this experiment is actually working, and hope you guys know why this experiment is happening, capillary action. So hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.